Hi, in this video I will show you how to insert video in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started real quick. Alright, first of all, let's just open a PowerPoint slide, and from here you need to select the insert option on the top left side. From here, tap on the insert option, and from here you can see an option called video. Just tap on that, and here you can see three options. If you have the video on your device currently, or you have downloaded, or you have the video on your PC, then you can select this option called this device. Just tap on that, and from here you need to browse the path where your video is. So I will go to the downloads option, and here you can see here is my video. I will select that and tap on insert, and as you can see the video is on my slide. You can now adjust the size of the video, and voila, that's it. So you can also insert the video from YouTube or any other sources online. For that you need to select the insert option again, and from here you need to select video and online videos. Tap on that. Alright, now you need to paste the video you have on YouTube. Like you can see, it support YouTube, SlideShare, Vimeo, Stream and Flip only. Now you need to copy the URL from a video on YouTube or any other platforms mentioned here. Just paste that on and tap on insert. It will take some time, and here you go. Here is the video you have inserted on. So that's how you can insert video in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.